We are Cathy Linh and Christopher Radcliff. I'm a poet, and Chris is a filmmaker. For Open Call, we are collaborating on Appocalips, a 3-channel video installation that centers on my parents, who, while stateless in a refugee camp after fleeing the Vietnam War, were hired to play background extras in the film Appocalips Now. By highlighting their story, we invite viewers to consider new perspectives and to contemplate questions about power, representation, and the shaping of public memory.